Ito, pag ganun. Like this. Ganun, like that. Yeah, like a gun. Like a gun. One more. Fold it. Going back. Ito. Ayan.
Wait, I think something wrong.
Hold tight.
I said you won't have to do it. I see here.
Yeah.
Oo ba?
Hawak. Hold it. Yan. Then, ito. Tupi. Hold. Ito back. Ganun mo. Ganun mo. Ganun. Ganun. Hold mo to. Hold mo dito. Yung that, use your other hand. Yan. Hold it at back. Yan.
Do what you did
Then,
earlier.
yan.
Kain
Sa
nga.
harap. Ay!
Wrong,
ito,
bro.
eh.